one of our latest features is the shared course folder. So this is a new easy way to distribute data and files to your students. This folder is unique to each course, so it's making use of the learning environment integration to make it available on a course-by-course basis. Instructors can read and write on this course. There is a text file included that has a bit of advice and guidance on referring to the path for this new folder. And this feature is designed to simplify the process of sharing materials with students. And we think it'll be a big hit with instructors and how they share data with students in an efficient way. So next up, we have learning environment integration in the form of grade passback. So this is a new feature that will now pass grades from Noteable into the learning environment. So while you have always been able to see grades within Noteable as you work with them, you will now be able to see them in the gradebook, as well as students being able to see their marks in the gradebook. So that's a nice, easy way to visualize grades now without having to leave the existing course environment that you might be used to when accessing your courses. So here's a snapshot of the launcher page, which appears when you and your students access Noteable through the learning environment. It's designed to be really the home page to launch into the service and be as straightforward as possible. We've added a description of what's included in the notebooks down below underneath the start button from this year. The integration through the learning environment verifies your identity through LTI, which helps spin up the correct notebook environment and takes you right to your workspace where all your data and files will already be. From here, you have full access to the notebooks, libraries, and any shared course content for that course. And we believe that the fewer steps involved in getting started, the smoother your teaching and learning experience can be when working with code and computation. We see Noteable growing as a central teaching and learning platform. And here are some key updates and future directions. So at the moment, we're supporting over 200 courses in around a dozen different subject areas, schools, subjects, and faculties. And that continues to grow year on year. We have about 30% more users this year, which is fantastic. We have a number of user groups and communities of best practice that are emerging, and we really want to continue motivating that and supporting where we can. We're at the moment exploring deeper VLE integrations and providing a grade exchange history that gives more information on the steps that have happened at a course level with grades and assignments. For increasingly specialized fields from machine learning to geospatial analytics and beyond, we'll also continue to add new packages and libraries over this year. So we're always open to feedback, and we ask that you let us know which libraries or integrations you need, because we want to make sure Noteable is the best fit for teaching objectives. And that brings me on to some of the support and onboarding that we have available. So we offer Q&A sessions and webinars for anyone who wants a deeper dive into the service or wants some quick tips on getting started. The team at EDINA works closely with VLE administrators to set up LTI connections and making sure that they're running smoothly. We often invite champion users and power users to share their insights and best practices, which is a great way to learn from real-world experiences. And we thank everyone for providing insights and feedback that we can bring back into the service.